How to fix game files verification error in Genshin Impact. Here are some tips that would help you fix game files verification error in Genshin Impact. 1. Press the retry button and see if that helps. 2. Restart the Genshin Impact game. 3. For PC players, run the Genshin Impact app as admin. 4. Add the Genshin Impact app into the exclusions list. 5. Download Genshin Impact zip file, v1.2. Then get Genshin Impact Launcher installed. Locate then delete Genshin Impact _1.2.0.zip_temp file from the Genshin Impact's default installation folder. Extract the downloaded zip file, v1.2. Create a new config.ini file as follow: general channel equals 1 cps equals myhoyo game _version equals 1.2.0 sub _channel equals 0. Backup the old config.ini in Genshin Impact's default installation folder. Replace the old config file with the newly created one. 6. Unzip the game folder in a new path. 7. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then perform a clean installation of Genshin Impact.